If you're tired of frustrating home projects that waste hours and kill your vibe, this video is for you. Today, I'm revealing 15 smart woodworking and handy tools that save time, boost accuracy, and make projects way more fun. Quick reminder, all product links are in the description below. Let's dive in. RAK Magnetic Wristband. This magnetic wristband is built for anyone tired of dropping screws mid-project. Designed as a magnetic wristband for men, it uses powerful magnets to securely hold screws, nails, bolts, and drill bits right on your arm. The adjustable strap fits comfortably, even during long jobs. This tool belt-style wristband keeps hardware within reach without cluttering pockets or slowing you down. It works perfectly for woodworking, home repairs, electrical jobs, and garage projects. Bosch NanoBlade Saw. This cordless NanoBlade saw is made for fast, clean, freehand cutting without hassle. Powered by the Bosch 18-volt system, it easily cuts wood and plastic with impressive control. The NanoBlade technology reduces vibration, making it easier to guide precise cuts even for beginners. With a cutting depth up to 65 millimeters, it handles most household and workshop projects. This Bosch cordless saw turns tricky cuts into simple, controlled movements every single time. Bionic grip wrench. This adjustable wrench uses a patented bionic grip design that automatically fits nuts and bolts of different sizes. Instead of switching tools, this 8-inch adjustable wrench grips flat sides, not corners, reducing slipping and damage. The durable steel construction makes it reliable for plumbing, automotive work, and general repairs. It replaces multiple traditional wrenches in your toolbox. It's perfect for tight spaces where precision matters. For repairs and professional jobs alike, this bionic grip wrench delivers strong holding power, clean turns, and a smarter way to handle everyday fastening tasks. TOLESA Oscillating Blades Kit. This oscillating tool blades kit includes 36 titanium and bimetal blades designed for wood, metal, and mixed materials. Built for durability, these oscillating saw blades resist wear and stay sharp longer during demanding cuts. The universal fit works with most oscillating tools, making swaps quick and easy. You can cut, trim, plunge, and detail with precision across multiple projects. Instead of buying separate blades, you get one kit that handles everything from hardwood to nails. Complete sharpening system. This sharpening stone set is designed for serious woodworking accuracy. It includes a honing guide, flattening stone, and multiple grit levels for chisels and plane blades. The system keeps your tools at the correct angle, removing guesswork from sharpening. Whether restoring old tools or maintaining new ones, it delivers consistent edges every time. This woodworking sharpening system improves precision and extends tool life. Saker Drilling Ruler. This drilling positioning ruler works as a multifunctional T-square and cabinet hardware jig. Adjustable up to 13.78 inches, it helps align holes accurately for drawers, doors, and cabinets. Built for woodworking precision, it removes measuring errors and speeds up marking. The ruler locks firmly, ensuring repeatable results across multiple pieces. You drill straight, evenly spaced holes without remeasuring every time. For furniture builds and cabinet installs, this drilling template tool saves time and improves finish quality. Saker Scribing Tool. This multifunction scribing tool combines a construction pencil, deep hole marker, and measuring guide into one compact tool. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it's built for job site use. The deep hole pencil reaches tight spots where regular pencils fail. It's perfect for woodworking layouts, tile marking, and construction measurements. This scribe gauge tool keeps marking simple and precise, even in awkward spaces. For professional builds, it replaces multiple marking tools and keeps your workflow efficient. JOREST Contour Gauge. This contour gauge duplicator copies complex shapes quickly and accurately. With connectable 10 and 5-inch sections, it adapts to large or small profiles. The locking mechanism holds the shape firmly while you transfer it to wood, tile, or flooring. It's ideal for trim work, pipe fitting, and irregular cuts. This profile gauge tool is especially useful for flooring and woodworking projects where exact outlines matter. It's a simple tool that dramatically improves accuracy on challenging shapes. Hedgehog Featherboard. This featherboard improves safety and accuracy on table saws and router tables. Designed to apply consistent pressure, it keeps wood firmly against the fence during cuts. The flexible fingers adapt to material thickness without binding. Installation is quick and adjustments are easy. For woodworking accuracy, this featherboard tool supports safer workflows and cleaner results. Whether you're ripping boards or making precise passes, it helps maintain steady feed pressure. SAKER Mini Chainsaw. This cordless mini chainsaw is designed for fast pruning and light cutting tasks. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to control with one hand. The powerful motor handles branches, garden cleanup, and small wood cuts efficiently. Battery operation means no cords and easy outdoor use. This portable electric chainsaw is perfect for homeowners and garden maintenance. It delivers clean cuts, reduces fatigue, and makes yard work quicker, safer, and more manageable. Nicpro Carpenter Pencil. This Carpenter pencil set includes mechanical pencils, refills, and a built-in sharpener. Designed for construction and woodworking, the deep hole marker reaches tight spaces easily. The heavy-duty design stands up to job site use without breaking. It creates clear, visible lines on wood, metal, and concrete. This construction pencil tool improves layout precision and keeps your measurements clean. Little Giant Ladder. This fiberglass ladder works as both an A-frame and extension ladder. With a 6-foot A-frame and 10-foot extension reach, it adapts to multiple tasks. The single hinge design makes transitions quick and secure. Built for professional use, it supports stability and safety on the job. This professional ladder is ideal for home repairs, painting, and electrical work. It offers strength, flexibility, and confidence when working at height. SAKER Chamfer Plane. This chamfer plane is designed for quick edge trimming and corner flattening. The auxiliary locator helps guide consistent bevels on wood edges. Compact and easy to use, it's ideal for finishing touches on woodworking projects. The sharp blade delivers smooth chamfers without tearing grain. This hand chamfering planer gives wood projects a professional finish with minimal effort. It's a simple tool that elevates craftsmanship and speeds up final detailing work significantly. Kreg K4 Jig. This pocket hole jig creates strong, accurate joints with ease. Adjustable drill guides handle materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick. The durable construction keeps holes consistent across multiple builds. Setup is straightforward, even for beginners. This pocket hole jig is perfect for furniture building, cabinets, and framing projects. It speeds up assembly while improving structural integrity, making it a must-have tool for woodworking accuracy and efficiency. Tilswall Rotary Tool. This rotary multi-tool features a 160-watt motor with 6 variable speeds up to 33,000 RPM. It includes 107 accessories for cutting, sanding, carving, polishing, and drilling. Compact and versatile, it handles detail work and general tasks easily. This rotary toolkit saves space and money while expanding what you can create. For home improvement and creative work, it delivers power, precision, and control in one compact package.